If you drive a Mercedes, you are probably missing out on its best engineered secrets. Here's what they didn't tell you. Let us start with something that saves you from bad odors and dusty roads. Imagine driving into a long, smoky tunnel or passing by a construction site. Instead of panic pressing 5 different window buttons while trying to keep your eyes on the road, Mercedes has a hidden shortcut called tunnel mode. All you need to do is press and hold the air recirculation button on your climate control panel. Within seconds, the car automatically rolls up every single open window and completely closes the sunroof. Once you are out in the clean air, press and hold that same button again. The car remembers exactly how open your windows were and returns them to their original positions. Next up is a feature built for those moments when your hands are completely full of groceries or luggage. Walking up to your luxury car and dropping your expensive bags on the dirty ground just to grab your key fob feels wrong. Mercedes solved this with the hands-free access feature. As long as the key is in your pocket or bag, you simply need to make a quick kicking motion directly under the center of the rear bumper. The trunk opens up smoothly on its own. You can also use the same kicking motion to close it when you are done loading. On hot summer days or freezing winter mornings, you should never have to step into an uncomfortable cabin. The companion app for your vehicle allows you to control the climate completely from a distance. Instead of waiting inside a burning hot interior for the air conditioning to kick in, you can open the app on your phone 5 minutes before you leave the house and start the climate control system. By the time you open the door, the seats and air will be at the perfect temperature. When it comes to highway driving, the cruise control system does a lot more than just hold your current speed. If you are using the adaptive cruise control and come across a change in the speed limit, you do not need to manually adjust the toggle up and down multiple times. By firmly pressing the resume button on your steering wheel, the car automatically reads the traffic signs and adjusts your speed exactly to the new legal limit, keeping you safe from unexpected speeding tickets. Another massive lifesaver inside the cabin is the parking brake automation. Many drivers still search for the electronic parking brake switch under the dashboard every time they park on a hill. In a Mercedes, you almost never need to touch that button. When you arrive at your destination, simply press the button on the side of the gear selector to put the car in park, open your door, and the vehicle automatically engages the parking brake for you. When you get back in, putting the car in drive and touching the gas pedal releases it instantly. Inside the storage compartments, you will also find hidden versatility. The center console cup holders are not just fixed plastic rings. They feature adjustable tabs that can be pushed back to accommodate massive water bottles or popped forward to securely hold tiny espresso cups. Some models even feature climate-controlled cup holders that can keep your coffee piping hot or your water ice cold at the press of a button. Most people look at their dashboard thousands of times a year, yet they leave it on the exact same factory layout they saw the day they bought the car. If you are doing this in a modern Mercedes-Benz, you are missing out on one of the most powerful cockpit experiences on the market today. The digital instrument cluster is not just a digital version of old, traditional gauges. It is a highly customizable command center designed to put your most vital driving data exactly where your eyes need it. By using the small, touch-sensitive swiping pads on the left side of your steering wheel, you can completely transform your view. If you are heading out on a long road trip through an unfamiliar city, you don't need to keep glancing over at the center console screen for directions. With a few quick swipes, you can change the entire cluster into a stunning, full-screen navigation map. This projects your upcoming turns, lane guidance, and real-time traffic alerts directly in your line of sight, making your drive incredibly efficient and significantly safer. But it goes beyond just maps. If you prefer a clean, peaceful cabin environment during a stressful night drive, you can switch the display to the understated or minimalist mode. This strips away all non-essential numbers, dimming the screen to show only your current speed and essential safety alerts, which heavily reduces nighttime eye strain. For those who want a more dynamic, aggressive look, switching to the Sport or AMG themes brings your rev counter to the center, shifts the color palette to striking reds and yellows, and displays real-time performance data like G-force and engine turbo pressure. Mercedes spent years engineering these layouts so you can perfectly match your dashboard to your current mood or driving condition. Take a couple of minutes during your next commute to explore the menus, set up your perfect view, and stop settling for a generic dashboard.